Hello Pushpa, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Can you introduce yourself, Pushpa?
I'm Pushpa. I completed my graduation in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute. Now I am doing MTech in Reva University. I came here from internship work.
Yeah, Pushpa, it was nice. And can you share your experience you have taken the internship year, no? Regarding what you have taken internship year?
I mean, civil engineering internship. I mean, overall internship work means software internships, AutoCAD or Revit Stat Pro. I visited so many sites in here only, but our teaching experience is also nice. చాలా ప్లేసెస్ విజిట్ చేశాను. ఐ మీన్ సైట్ విజిటింగ్ ఆర్ఎంసీ ప్లాట్ అండ్ ఏషియన్ కలర్ ప్లెయింట్ అకాడమీ అండ్ సో మెనీ టూ వెబినార్స్కి అటెండ్ అయ్యాను. నైస్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ అండ్ గుడ్ టీచింగ్ వెల్. ఐ లెర్న్ సో మెనీ టాపిక్స్ ఇన్ హియర్ ఓన్లీ మ్యామ్.
మీరు ఎంటెక్ చేస్తానని నాకు చెప్పినారు కదా. ఎంటెక్ లా ఏమి 3 months ఇంటర్న్షిప్ ఉంది కదా.
నా సెకండ్ ఇయర్ లో ఇంటర్న్షిప్ రిపోర్ట్ సబ్మిషన్.
Okay. Okay, for 1 month you have okay, say me the internship process, how you have gained
ఇన్ హియర్ ఈ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ లో ఆల్మోస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ సిఎంటిఐ 1 month ఇంటర్న్షిప్ ఆఫ్లైన్ నేను చూస్ చేసుకున్నాను. 1 month ఓవరాల్ క్లాసెస్, ఐ మీన్ 10 days క్లాసెస్, 2 days సైట్ విజిటింగ్, 2 days వెబినార్స్. Their class teaching is also nice, explanation is also good teaching and good explanation, presentation is also nice. Almost I completed 1.5 months in here. Then I got placed in rain harvesting company.
Okay.
I got
Can you say
internship
the
in
company
there.
opportunity, the process of opportunity you got in the company, the internship and all?
After completing 1 month internship here, then here only CMTI HR ma'ams and so many Deepa ma'ams, they only told me go and attend there some interviews and some harvesting companies and Sumadura companies. That's why I went and attended. Then I got selected from there.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, you got selected in the company and in the stipend is also given, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And you have an opportunity to get placed there also.
Yeah,
Once
after
the
these placement is just internship placement overall 3 months. After 3 months, my performance it will be good. They will place there only, ma'am.
Okay, Pushpa, it was nice talking with you. And can you say the same feedback to your friends also regarding the internship you have done here?
Okay.
Okay, Pushpa, thanks. And congratulations for your internship placed.
Thank you, ma'am.